Okay, today we're going to be installing a pressure sensor. Safety first, we're going to make sure the power is off at the air compressor and that the line air pressure is discharged or safed off at the valves. So here is the transmitter or air pressure sensor we're going to be installing today. It's a Siemens product. I'm going to use this stainless steel T to install it in line on the existing airline. It's a 1/4-inch national pipe thread. I'm going to use pipe dope and pipe tape on my threaded connections. So to give you some context, this is an airline that provides compressed air to our dry fire sprinkler system piping. But we don't currently have a way to monitor the air pressure from our BAS or remotely from our computer. So let's take a closer look at this pressure sensor or transmitter. It has a DIN 43650 connector here. So basically you have power coming in, and then the air pressure will induce a current through the sensor back to either the BAS or some sort of device that can read that air pressure. So we'll go ahead and install this on the 18-4 shielded wire that I have already ran into this equipment room. There's a Phillips head screw on the back of this DIN connector. You simply unscrew. This is where you make up your wire connections right here at these screws, and they're numbered. And the connector and the transmitter comes with instructions that tells you where your power comes in, where your signal wire attaches to, etc. So let's get it installed. So first you slide on the connector. You can see I've stripped my wires. Then go ahead and connect the wires to the terminals. And then reassemble the connector. Again with that Phillips head screw that you saw earlier. So again, this is a DIN 43650 connector. It's got the strain relief packing gland here on the back that holds the cable in place so it doesn't pull out. And now this simply plugs onto the top of the air pressure sensor here. And it only goes on one way due to the shape of the blades on the connector. So you really can't screw it up. Again, that's a Siemens 7 Mary Frank 15654 series transmitter or air pressure sensor. So we got it installed in line on our airline. We'll go ahead and open the valve and turn it on, make sure it works. And I'm going to spray it with bubble leak detector to make sure there's no leaks at any of my connections. And again, you can see the 18-4 cable going off to our BAS. And we'll be able to monitor our air pressure now. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.